Looking for the best juicer to make fresh, healthy juice at home? From powerful fast juicers to premium cold press machines, we've picked the top 5 best juicers that deliver great taste, high nutrition, and easy cleaning. Let's explore the best options for every kitchen and budget. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is a high-performance centrifugal juicer designed for people who want fresh juice quickly and with ease. This juicer uses a powerful motor that spins at high speed to extract juice efficiently from fruits and vegetables. One of its best features is the extra-wide feed chute, which lets you put in whole apples, carrots, and larger produce without cutting them into many pieces first. This saves time and effort during preparation. The Cold Plus technology on this model helps keep the juice cooler by reducing heat buildup during juicing. Cooler juice tastes fresher and retains more nutrients because there is less oxidation. The machine also has dual speed settings, so you can juice both soft and hard produce at the proper speed for each type. Cleaning is easier than many other centrifugal juicers because the parts come apart quickly, and most are dishwasher safe. The pulp container is large, so you can juice more before stopping to empty it. A safety locking arm ensures the juicer won't operate unless everything is securely in place, which gives peace of mind. Overall, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is great for busy people who want quick, efficient juicing without complicated setup or cleanup. Its strong motor and smart design make fresh juice accessible every day. Number 4. NutriBullet Juicer Pro. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro is a compact and user-friendly juicer made for people who want simple, fast juicing in a smaller kitchen space. This machine is lighter and easier to move than many traditional juicers, making it a good choice for beginners or anyone who doesn't want a bulky appliance on their countertop. It uses a straightforward pushdown system where you place fruit or vegetables into the feed chute and gently push them down to start juicing. The Juicer Pro is designed to extract juice quickly and with good efficiency, especially from soft produce like oranges, tomatoes, and leafy greens. While it may not squeeze as much juice from hard vegetables as some larger models, it still delivers a satisfying amount of fresh juice with minimal fuss. One of the best parts about this juicer is how easy it is to clean. Most pieces can be rinsed quickly under running water or popped into the dishwasher, which saves time after juicing. The parts are simple to assemble and disassemble, and the machine does not require complicated instructions to use. Because it is affordable and practical, the NutriBullet Juicer Pro is a solid choice for people who are new to juicing or who just want to enjoy fresh juice without a lot of effort. It is efficient, convenient, and perfect for everyday use when you want a simple way to make healthy drinks. Number 3. Hurom H400 Easy Clean. The Hurom H400 Easy Clean is a slow cold press juicer designed for people who want high quality juice with fewer steps and less mess. Unlike high-speed juicers, this model operates at a slow speed to gently press fruits and vegetables and extract juice. The slow pressing process helps protect nutrients and enzymes in the produce, allowing the juice to stay rich in vitamins, flavor, and color. One of the greatest benefits of the H400 is how easy it is to clean. Hurom engineered this model with fewer parts and a smart filter system that reduces buildup and makes washing quick. This saves time after juicing, which is often the hardest part for many people. The design also makes it easier to handle leafy greens, wheatgrass, and soft fruits, which can be more difficult for other juicers. The H400 runs quietly, so it will not disturb your home or kitchen while in use. Its strong slow squeeze technology also produces less foam and allows the juice to stay fresh longer than juices made with high-speed juicers. The body is compact but durable, allowing you to juice regularly without taking up too much counter space. If you love fresh juice and want the most nutrients and flavor in each glass, the Hurom H400 is an excellent choice. It balances performance and ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced juicing enthusiasts. Number 2. Nama J2 Cold Press. The Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer is a modern and efficient slow juicer that focuses on extracting the highest quality juice possible. This cold press machine uses slow squeezing technology, which gently presses fruits and vegetables to release juice without generating heat. Because heat and friction are minimized, the nutrients, enzymes, and natural taste of the produce are better preserved in the final juice. The Nama J2 has a sleek and user-friendly design, making it simple to assemble, use, and clean. Its parts are easy to disassemble, and most can be rinsed quickly under water, which makes cleanup fast and stress-free. Many people prefer cold-pressed juicers like the Nama J2 because they create juice with less foam and separation, which enhances the drinking experience. The slow extraction also brings out richer flavors and smoother texture in the juice. This model is ideal for juicing all kinds of produce, including leafy greens, hard root vegetables, and softer fruits. It is especially good if you want to make fresh green juice regularly. The Nama J2 runs quietly compared to high-speed juicers, which is a benefit if you live in a shared space or want to juice early in the morning without waking others. Overall, the Nama J2 cold-pressed juicer is a strong choice if you want a reliable, easy-to-use slow juicer that delivers high juice yield and maximum nutrient retention. Number 1. Omega VSJ 843QS. The Omega VSJ 843QS is a premium vertical slow cold-pressed juicer that delivers excellent juice quality with outstanding nutrient retention and flavor. This model uses advanced slow squeezing technology that mimics hand pressing to gently extract juice from fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. Because it works slowly and with minimal heat, the juices it produces preserve more vitamins, enzymes, and natural taste than many other juicers. One of the best features of the Omega VSJ 843QS is its strong but quiet motor, which makes juicing peaceful and comfortable in any kitchen. The vertical design is space-saving and stylish, fitting easily onto a countertop without being bulky. The wide feed chute allows for larger pieces of produce, so you don't need to spend as much time cutting before juicing. This is ideal for busy people who want fresh juice without extra prep. Assembly and cleaning are simple. The parts are easy to detach and clean quickly by hand or with a brush. The juicer's quality build means it is made to last and can handle daily use without losing performance. Many users appreciate how this model produces very dry pulp, which means more juice is extracted and less waste is left behind. Whether you want green juice, fruit blends, or vegetable mixes, the Omega VSJ 843QS provides rich, smooth juice with maximum nutrients. It is perfect for anyone serious about juicing and health.